amazing birthday celebration of your magnifying and elegant daughter.
Yes, that's right, sir. Welcome everyone to this momentous occasion. Tonight, there is no more fairy tales because the baby is now a real lady as a step into much higher level of what we call life.
From the parent of the debutant.
A round of applause for Mr. Eduardo Nicaros for his welcome message.
Okay, salamat po, no? Welcome in our celebration 18th anniversary. Sa akong mga relatives, sa akong kinalanggang anak na lalaki.
Thank you so much, Mr. Eduardo Nicaros. Important information of our debutant, right? So at this time, let us witness the AVP or audiovisual presentation we prepared just for you.
Your face folds me over your face. It wipes away the rain with 100 summer skies. And every time I talk to you, it's like I'm alright. And every time I talk to you, I get a little closer to life. You are the face that heaven showed me when I needed someone, someone to love and say, you showed me the quiet kind of love behind your face. Your face
Naagyo ko giabangan din ha ganina dahil nga wag yun na-appeal sa video. Balo ka unsa? Ikaw na ka.
Dapat isa sa mga.
Ako giabangan dito nga wala sa video kato kita mag-iris kung diaper si Jean. No? Wala yun dito karang magtimpla bitaw gata si Ede nga magtapasok-pasok wala yun dito gi-appeal. Di ba? Di? Oh, mo na nga makarelate yung tatanan. Ako sa akong sarili makarelate ko, pero ang ako lang yun nga dili ma-relate kining parte nga susama ni ini or susama ni ini ka Pungasius. Di ba dai? Okay. I'm sure nga kini nga affair karon di pangandaman gyud maayo ni Mr. and Mrs. Micaros, no? So,
dumagay atong mga anak mo ay atong pinaka-treasure sa ato ang kinabuhi. That's why parents.
Doon saya.
Kaya may gabi din sa kanan. Good evening po sa parents ni Maris. Marhaba birthday. Thank you kay naging part ka sa aming guys. Thank you kay maski 1 year lang talaga kasi ay nagkailanay isa lang matakinig na po yung usulan. Lord, ayaw kay ka sa mo Amar tapos happy birthday. Salamat sa tanan.
okay. That was Miss Princess Dia Abay and Miss Raquel Balahon.
I am Marie's classmate and at the same time we're friends. And I would like to thank Marie's parents for giving me this opportunity to be part of Marie's 18th birthday. And also I would like to thank Marie's for being so very good friends. And thank you. More blessings and more the best of life that could give you.
That should we call it rituals of turning 18. Let us welcome the 18th circle of bachelors who will offer to our debutant roses that symbolizes love. Love which Marie has for the family and for all the people in her life.
Tonight, tonight, tonight. Tonight, tonight, tonight. Tonight, tonight, tonight. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long brown hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me, yeah. And then she asks me, do I feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Oh, I feel wonderful because I see the love that's right in your eyes. cities, and I've gotta make it happen. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me into bed. And then I tell her, as I turn down the lights, I say, darling, you were wonderful tonight. Yeah, I said, darling, you were wonderful tonight. Everything I needed more. You look wonderful, so beautiful, so beautiful tonight. You never leave me wanting. You never leave me wanting. So beautiful tonight. You look wonderful. You're everything I need. You're everything. You're everything. Tonight. You look wonderful. You never leave me wanting. No, no. You look wonderful. So beautiful. Said I want you. You're everything I need. You're everything. So beautiful tonight. You look wonderful. You never leave me wanting more. You look wonderful. So
Waday ta, ngagi ta tanan pero wala tayong celebration niya. Ingon ani ka guwapo nga celebration, no? Atong mga dalaga ulitaw karon nga kung gusto mo nga dunay mahitabo ngayon ani ka buga inyong bigo. Ayaw sa taon mo pag dali-dali o kanang kuan, dai no? Kanang karingking ba dai. Naami silingan nga nag-andam gud siya para sa iyang dibuunta, sa iyang anak. Sus karon kay wala man kaabot og
sa iyong parents. And thank you sa pag-invite sa mga dere-dere. Maurice, thank you for being my friend, not just my friend, but also my little sister. And then, every time when I have problems sa school, you can still count on me. Even my So, maayong gabi sa atong tanan, no? So, especially sa mga problema, sa mga advices, thank you. And now, 18 lang ka, so hope talagang bago sa inyo ha. Hey, I know talaga na sa inyo ha. You're a good person, a loving person, and beautiful person. So, thank you and happy birthday. Gawin ko sa pagkakasaryan mo na is thank you sa pag-invite. Hindi ka rin ako para sa mga group activities, sa akong mga member, sa PSYS ito ko ba na nila mag-uyo kong tamang. So, thank you sa kanta natin. So, hindi ka magbangko. Tungkol sa iyong attitude, ilap ko sa silence. More to happy birthday, Mom. Everybody, a blessed evening. Happy birthday, Mom. Thank you so much.